Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Image Search. I'm going to show you on how to use Google Image Search on your laptop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this camera icon right here. And this is going to pop up right here. So you have drag and drop your image or click here to upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload a file right here. So having click on upload a file, go ahead and look for the particular image that you want to search for on Google. Like for instance, if I decide to upload this particular Microsoft logo right here, I'll click on open. So let's find out the result, and you can see start loading and search for it. So right here, you have it right here. Now we have details about this particular image that we upload right here. Allow everything to give you all visual matches right here. So just like what you see right here. So it's still loading. And here you have detail about a particular image upload. So you can add to your search right here. If you have any information right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see every area whereby that particular image has been used across the web. So whether it's on YouTube, across Google, Facebook, the more you scroll down, the more you see information about that particular image that you upload with your image search. So if you want to narrow search your image search, go ahead and click on the exact match right here. So when you click on the exact match, it gives you the exact sample of the image that you upload into the Google, just like what you see right here. So it's that simple. So here you can go ahead and click on about this image. This will tell you the actual time they upload the original real image. So you can see similar images are at least 4 years ago. This is because this particular image here is being consistently uploaded on web with different websites, different platforms as the case may be. So let's go back to the home page on our Google site. So you can check if it is a sellable product image. So go ahead and click on products right here. So this will tell you if it's something that you can easily buy. Then it's not a sellable product, it's just a brand logo right here. So however, we can go ahead and upload different types of image, and Google is going to give us similar results based on the kind of image. Let's take a look at another example. So I'm going to go back right here, click on search for image right here, and I'll click on upload file. So here we go. So this time around, I'm going to upload this particular written text right here, and I'll click on open right here. So in a few seconds, let's find out the results Google is going to have for us as far as this particular image upload is concerned. So here we go. Now, one thing we can do right here as far as this particular result is, so you can see all the text here has been extracted from the screen. So you have the similar image right here. Okay. Now, one thing we can do right here is that we can also extract the text from this particular image right here. So for that, we can simply tell Google that can you please extract the exact text and hit on send. So in a few seconds, it's going to extract the text out, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So we can also go on and go and click on visual match right here. Click on visual matches. This will give you exact sample of that similar image that you upload into your Google image search right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to use your Google image search for relevant information about a particular image on your Google website. That's simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.